Hi, Pat Shull here, Executive Chef at Turnberry Golf Club in wonderful Lakewood, Illinois. Just wanted to call and let you know our weekend specials are going this week. We have fish fry on Friday and Saturday. We also have Cherrywood smoked baby back ribs. Then we have our featured items as always daily. We have our TQ steak special, our Applewood pulled pork, and our exotic burger. All those specials can come with hand-cut fries or a choice of other starches. Also wanted to let you know, any late graduation parties you need a caterer, we also do off-property catering. If you want to do any carry-out, we can also do a curbside carry-out. Be more than happy to settle with any of your business needs, any kind of food needs, no restrictions. But one thing I want to do is when we are dining out here, remember to practice the COVID rules. I'm not wearing my mask, but I wear it all the time here and my gloves. But just to let you know, we follow all the COVID rules. So I hope I see you out here, and you have a great week.